Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Musa from Sibling World. Today I'm going to be making an avocado sandwich. So last time we made a tuna sandwich. You can click the link down below in the description. Go down there after you watch this video. And it's going to be at the end. So you could always watch the avocado video. Wait, no, I meant the tuna. So let's just get in with our ingredients. So of course, for an avocado sandwich, we need 1 small avocado. Then we need 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then we need 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Then we need 1 tablespoon of green onions. Then we need 1 egg, 1 hard-boiled egg. Then we have 4 pieces of bread to make 4 sandwiches. Because we're going to split down the middle, which is going to be ×2. And no, we're not here to do math. We're here to cook. Let's first start by putting the bread away, because the bread is for the last step. Not really. So first we need the avocado and we need the lemon juice. Then using this fork, we have to mash it. Now this avocado is really mashed. I don't see any huge chunks, it's just little stuff. So now I'm going to put this away because now it's egg cutting time. So we're going to chop this egg until it's really small. So now that I'm done with this egg, I'm chopping this egg. By the way, I washed my hands before doing this step. Remember to do that, just to stay safe. Also, you don't want other people, you don't want like yourself or other people to eat your germs, because eating germs sounds really bad. Now it's time for our green onions. Now I'm going to put the 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now it's mixing time again. Actually, not again. First we mashed the avocado. Now it's mixing time. So now my avocado mixing is done. Now it's time for the sandwich. So first I'm gonna put 2 of my breads right here, and then I'm gonna use the spoon to put the avocado mixture. Now they are really flat. So now I'm going to use the other 2 breads to make the complete sandwich. Now I'm going to split them, cut them. Look at the texture of this avocado sandwich. It looks so good. So now I'm gonna put some tomato ketchup on it, on this spoon, so I can use it for serving. Look at the texture of this. Looks so good. Can't wait to taste it. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more. Goodbye.